Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my hair to look nice and healthy. So now I'm using this cheese silk infusion oil, and I love this oil because it definitely makes my hair feel soft and silky. I love using this whenever I'm straightening my hair because, like I said, it makes my hair feel nice soft. So whenever you're straightening your hair, you want to do really small sections, because that is going to be the key to getting your hair feeling mad soft and straight, and it lasts a lot longer in my experience. So yeah, do really small sections, and you want to also use the comb. I will demonstrate on how to actually like hold the comb properly so that you could get it to be really silky. So now I'm just gonna be adding a little bit more oil to my hair because I'm about to wrap my hair up. Oh, actually, before I wrap my hair up, I'm gonna just bump my ends a little bit so that whenever I wrap it up and I take it down, it's gonna be real flowy and it's gonna have some body yaddy. But yeah, it's gonna give my hair like a little bit more flow whenever I curl my ends. And so now I'm just wrapping my hair up because I'm about to add that saran wrap that I mentioned earlier, just so that I could reduce the volume in my hair and make my hair seem a little bit flatter and more flowy whenever I take it down. So with adding the saran wrap to your hair, you're supposed to go under the dryer for a few minutes, but I did not have a dryer, so I just blow dried my hair for about 10 minutes, and then I let it sit for about another 10 minutes, and then I went ahead and took it down. So now I'm gonna take the saran wrap off, and I have to remember to do this sometimes, but you gotta basically brush the wrap out in the direction that you wrap the hair. So in that circular motion, just brush it down that way so that it doesn't like get messy like it is right here. Now look how flowy my hair looks. Like, it has so much body, it doesn't look lifeless and dead. I absolutely love this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a big thumbs up and drop some comments down below and let me know what you think of this process, and let me know if you try it out. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Mwah.